Angels and Dudes. Soothe your feet with this DIY foot soak. Learn how to make a DIY foot soak that soothes tired feet, eliminates foot odor, and gets rid of dead skin and cracked heels. You will need Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, Dead Sea salt, baking soda, citric acid, bath tea blend, essential or fragrance oils, and soap colorant. In a large bowl, add Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, Dead Sea salt, baking soda, and citric acid. Blend together with a whisk until well combined. Add essential oil or fragrance oil. Once again, mix well with a whisk until blended. Add bath tea and blend thoroughly. Separate the mixture into 2 glass bowls. Add soap colorant to each bowl and mix well. Transfer the foot soak into a container. Then cover with a tight-fitting lid. To use, add 1 to 2 scoops to foot bath water. It will soothe tired feet, eliminate foot odor, and get rid of dead skin and cracked heels. Pair it with Refresh Cooling Aloe Mist. This antibacterial body spray gets rid of odor-causing bacteria on your skin and nourishes it for a light, refreshing way to fragrance. The combination gets rid of smelly odors. It's antibacterial and antifungal, making it a potent and natural remedy for foot odor. This DIY foot soak has great benefits for the skin too. It has antioxidant properties, it tightens wrinkles, and eases signs of aging. How often do you treat yourself to a DIY foot soak? For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes, don't forget to subscribe!